Bakit kaya isinugo ni Jesus ang kanyang mga alagad, dala-dalawa? Precisely unang-una, it is sad to be alone. Malungkot ang nag-iisa. Malungkot yung walang katuwang sa buhay. At pangalawa, dala-dalawa silang sinugo dahil ito'y moral and sure support. Alam naman natin, in the word of the Bible, there were no fast vehicles or transportation during the word of the Bible. That's why, in order to preach the good news, they will pass on mountains, rivers, desert, at minsan may mga taong bandido na pwedeng manakit sa kanila. Kaya, ang reason kaya 2x2, for protection, for safety reason. Ibig sabihin, sa parte ng Ebanghelyo, sinasabi ni Jesus, hindi tayo nag-iisa. Merong mga taong mahal tayo, pamilya natin. May mga taong ipagtatanggol tayo, yung mga kaibigan natin. May mga taong morally, they support us. And primarily, iiwan naman tayo ng lahat, kasama natin ang Panginoon. Kaya nga, Emmanuel, God is always in our midst. Pangalawa, He instructed them to take nothing for the journey. Kung titignan nyo, very strict. No food, no sack, no money in their belts. Ako po ini-imagine ko yung Ebanghelyo, nung sinugo ni Jesus ang kanyang mga alagad, para bagang sinasabi ni Jesus, isinusugo kayo para mamatay. Kasi walang pagkain, walang pera, wala silang dala. Madalas po, tignan natin yung kahulugan nun. Sometimes we do not take literally the instruction of Jesus. Ang kahulugan nun, depend on God, God will provide. Huwag mo alalahanin kung wala kang dalang pagkain. Huwag mo alalahanin kung wala kang dalang pera. Along the way, God will send people who will help and support you. That is the meaning of the praise when Jesus told them, take nothing for the journey. Allow me to end with a experience nung nasa bahay Pag-ibig pa po ako. Meron po kaming isang cook doon, si Ate Josie. Pag tinitingnan niyo yung aming pong pantry, magdadasal na siya kay St. Joseph. Hindi ko po alam kung nandun pa yung image ni St. Joseph, doon po sa stock room. Meron pong maliit na altar doon, merong lumang St. Joseph. Tinanong ko dati, bakit may St. Joseph dito? Sabi ni Ate Josie, yung nag-retire na po ng matanda na cook, Among, pag nakikita na po namin wala nang nagdo-donate, wala nang pagkain, magdadasal kami. Sasabihin lang natin, Among, St. Joseph, padala mo na yung kailangan ng mga lolo't lola at surely nga po may darating. May magdo-donate ng 50,000, 100,000, 50 sacks of rice na take 50 kilos. And then there were people who donate canned goods. Ang ibig sabihin po kasi ng panganang Joseph, what is lacking, God will fill in. That is the meaning of the name Joseph, Joseph in Greek. God will fill in what is lacking. And so therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, the Lord is teaching us today two things. You are not alone. God will never abandon you. God will always be with you. And there are people who will support you, who will be with you no matter what happened. And secondly, in times of need, God will always provide. Amen.